Hello everybody, and in today's video I'll be teaching you how to connect Siri with ChatGPT-4. So let's get started. So the first you will have to do is to go to the App Store and make sure that you have downloaded ChatGPT. Now go to the ChatGPT application and now over here sign in using any of these informations. Now go to the Shortcuts app on your mobile. Now over here on the top right hand side, click on the plus icon. Now here at the top you'll see new shortcut. Towards the right of it, click on the drop down menu and now click on rename. Now here write any name, but do not write ChatGPT as it will not be recognized by Siri. Now over here the search bar, search for ChatGPT and now here click on start conversation with ChatGPT. Now on the top right hand side, click on done. Now you can activate this shortcut by saying hey Siri and then say the name you saved it for. You can also add this to the action button of your iPhone. You can also set it as a back tap feature. So go to settings. Now click on accessibility. Now here scroll down and click on touch. Now scroll down at the bottom, you'll see a back tap option, click on it. And at the top, click on back tap. Now here scroll down and you'll see the rename over here. Just click on the name that you saved it for. And there you go. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. I'll see you all in the next one. Goodbye.